Hey there guys, how you doing? It's Drew here, and today is day number 124. Let's see what time we did the video yesterday. It should be around like the same time, I think here. 12:18, and then right now is 12:01 there. So pretty much the same time as yesterday, and we're just going to jump right into this. So did okay today. I think that's around 0.50, something like that. We'll figure it out here pretty soon. One awesome thing here is now I'm earning the 21% commission there, right? Because I moved to that next level, got $24,525 left to do in sales, and then I'll get the 4,000 USDT bought. So I got to start get promoting. But yeah, my commission went up about $3 or so when I hit this level here. This is my per day commission that I get from basically, I'm getting 21% of the company's profit from all the bots trading, right? So I get it's like 16 bucks a day now, which is pretty awesome. Like 16 times 7 times 30, it adds up, right, over the month. Actually, let's go see what how much that is. USD to CAD, because I live in Canada, so the US dollar is like what we want to make, but the Canadian dollar is so much lower than the US dollar. Yeah, that's 616 bucks a month, guys, in my Canadian currency. So that's pretty nice, pretty nice. So when I get to and this will go up like every single month, it goes up because people are building their accounts. I'm selling more bots. I got to get going with the bot sales. I haven't been doing good this last week. I didn't really do that much promotion there, guys, over this last week. I don't know, I haven't been feeling that good. I've kind of, my throat's been hurting. I've kind of got a headache here, but let's get going here. Let's do this. So we get our first command and pop that over here. I was trying to make a short video today, but I guess it's not. And then we go grab this guy, pop that in there, and maybe I'll edit out all that promotional talk that I just did. It's not really needed, right? Like if you want to promote and you've joined me, I build you a funnel, and basically I make the content for you to use if you don't want to make your own content. So I don't think, yeah, I'm going to edit all that promotional talk out because it's like really not needed anymore, right? So we'll go here and 777675. That's pretty easy. 7776.75. And then click on this, and that'll give us our percentage for today, which should be like around the average, I think. 0.54%, so above the average there by 0.04%, because the average that we're seeing here is about 0.50% if you're at the 80-20 there. Okay, so keep that in mind. So let's do the token analysis. The token analysis, guys, it's the exact same as it has been for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days now. Is back here, I was saying I don't think it's going to come up here first. I think it's going to go for this blue line right here, right? And create a higher low, basically. That's basically what it's doing, is it's going for this blue line, probably going to find support around in this area, then move up. And once it moves up again, it's probably most likely going to break this blue line here and trade above it. And we'll just see like this could be a possible trend line here, right? Like something like that. And then it's probably going to have a big rejection here, come back down to this trend line. Okay, so here we are on the trade history. We're going to look for the 9th. So it should be on the 4th page there. And the 9th, there we go. So it starts there. So we're just going through this and we're looking for the losing trades. So that's a winner, 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 winner. This is all the trades from yesterday, right? Next page is a winner, 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 winner. Yeah, that's a winner there. And then the next page here is there's a losing trade right there. So we got one losing trade. Let's go down here and we'll do this. So we start on the 4th page. We got one losing trade, and we don't need any of this just yet. This is from the other day, right? Okay, so we got one losing trade there. And where was that losing trade? This one, yeah. Okay, so that's a winner. And that's a winner, winner, winner. Next page. is, come on, internet. There you go. Winner. There's a loser. Winner, winner, winner. So one more loser. So let's put a 2 on there. Next page. Oh, what did I just do? 2, 1. There you go. And then we got next page here. So we've got a winner. There's a loser, winner, winner, loser. Okay, so 2 more. So 3, 4. And then the next page. Gotta take a sip. I got some hot tea here for my throat. So that was what was, if you guys remember my videos from last week, my voice kept on like crapping out on me. That's what was wrong. I was coming down with a cold because now I have like a sore throat. I think I got it from my son because he's been coughing for a couple weeks. It should go away though because he's done school now, right? He's on his summer holiday. So he gets sick from his friends at school because he's 10, right? So they all get sick together. There's a profit, 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 and there's a profit there. So next page here, we got a profit. That's a loss. Profit, profit, profit. So just one more there. So 5. And then this guy here is a loss, profit, and that's the 8 there. So just this one here. The first trade of that yesterday was a loss there. And as you know, as I'm saying, like loss, it's not actually a loss. Like all the trades are like this. You can go through this video and do this yourself if you don't have a Traiex account and just look at this, and you'll notice they're all like this. In every single video that I've done, guys, where I'm showing the trade history, which is basically every video on my YouTube channel, you'll see that the loss on the price of Bitcoin at $108,000 or whatever it is at the moment, it's like 16 cents in the trade, right? So when I say it's a loss, it is a loss, but the loss is coming from the trading fee in my account. It's not really coming from the price action of the buy and the sell. It's trading on $2,300 here. So that would be like a fraction of a cent, right? Until it gets to probably maybe $10,000 or so in my account that it's trading on, right? So when this number here is like $10,000, then it would probably be a loss of a cent or so, right? If on $108,000, $109,000 is a loss of 16 cents. Okay, so you understand that, right? Okay, so yeah, the loss is not coming from the actual trade; it's coming from the trading fee, which is crazy when you think about it. The average human doesn't have that mindset to get out at break even because they mentally set their stop loss below the previous low, right? So here, I'll show you guys this right now. Here, I'll go into my day trading account that I'm making a course with here. So you can see here, for instance, this trade here that I got in, okay, where's the previous low? The previous low is here. So I would have mentally put my stop loss down here, right? Even though I got in the trade on this candle here, okay? The bot, if say for instance, the bot got into the trade right here, okay, and then the price action came back down, like it went up and then it came back down to there, it would just get out, right? Personally, most traders like myself, if your mental stop loss is below the previous low, you're not going to get out of the trade at break even. The trade will actually go against you and you'll be in a loss. If you're trading on leverage, you might be in a loss of, I don't know, 1 or 2% or something like that. And then you get out of the trade. And then it actually creates a real loss and not this little piddly loss of like, 16 cents on something that's $111,000, right? Okay. So that's explained. Just wanted to explain that to you there. Okay. So let's shoot on back here. We got to finish this off. Sorry. So that was the last trade of that day, which was a loss. Did we mark it down? I don't think we did. So we'll just mark that down. If we did mark it down, I'll correct myself when I'm editing the video. Sorry guys, I'm all over the place here today. But we'll count this back now. So here's another thing is that on this page, you're seeing there's 10 trades. How I have to calculate this is I calculate the buy compared to the sell, which gives me a number, is it a profit or a loss? And so I'm calculating as the buy and the sell is one trade, right? So that's how I'm doing all of these. There's 5 trades on each page here, the way I'm calculating it, but there's actually in reality, there's 10, right? Okay, so that's one trade there. So that's page 11. So that's one trade there. So page 11. So we'll go 11, and we've got one trade on page 11. Oh, I don't know why it's so small. And then we go back here. So we've got 5 trades on this page. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then this page here is 7. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 trades on that page there. So 4 on page number 4. So we go for 4. Okay. And now we've got to, so we got to do 6 times 5. 6 times 5 plus 4 plus 1. And this is the math for how many trades it did. So not a lot of trades, guys, but still 30. So that's 70 trades, right? Which is, yeah, you could say that's kind of an average there. 35 times 2 would be 70, right? So now what we do is grab our next command, which is this guy here. And we go 35. Oops. Okay. And, oh, wait a minute. Sorry. This is 35. This is 7. I did 35 trades and 7 had losses. What is the win rate? Right? It was 7. Yep. And we have to, when I'm editing the video, I have to actually see if it was 6 or 7. I think it's 7 though, right? There. So 80% win rate, which is normal. It's 80 to 90% is normally the win rate there. So that's pretty awesome. And that's it for today's video. We're just going to hit withdrawal on this guy. And then our 16 bucks should be there. Yes. And we'll pull that there. Actually, you know what? We'll refresh the page because it might have did a trade. And we will see. So it did a profitable trade there. So we'll just pull this so you can see that. And then pop that sucker in there, hit withdrawal, boom. So that's it for me. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in another one here shortly tomorrow. Bye-bye.